delicious carrot dumpling. This is a must try. So if you want to see how I achieve these beautiful dumplings, just keep on watching. And to my day one supporters, thank you guys so much for all the support. And for those of you coming for the first time, please subscribe to the channel, turn your notification bell on. In that way, you never miss another video. So with all that being said, let's go over to the kitchen. Okay guys, the first step is to peel and wash our carrots. I'm using a jumbo carrot because I'm just making a small batch. And you can blend this, but I'm going to grater, and I'm going to use a grater section and also the fine threading section because I need some pieces of carrot in my dumpling. So we're just going to grate this. This is a self-explanatory video, but I'll come back when there's another step to be explained. So just continue watching, guys. Okay guys, key note here, we're going to add the flour in small batches, and we're going to use the juice from the carrot to start to form the dough. Then when there's no more juice to combine the dough, then we'll add water in small portions. And don't forget your salt. We're going to add a bit of salt too, but I'll come back further on in the video. So just continue watching. As I said, this is pretty much a self-explanatory video, and worse off, I'm under the weather. So catch you further on in the video, guys. Continue watching. So all us Jamaican know that whenever time we need our dumpling dough, to get a nice clean dough, remember your bowl, you use your flour to clean the bowl. And now we're forming our dumpling, and we're going to add them to our pot. We have a pot of water boiling already with some salt, and we're just going to add our dumplings and allow these to boil. These going to take around 15 minutes to boil, and we're going to serve this with some fry up tin mackerel. with the dumpling out the way, here we have bell pepper, onion, garlic, thyme, add pepper, onion, and our tin mackerel, and we're going to use some cayenne pepper, black pepper, complete season, and a bit of salt. And we're going to go over to the stove now, heat up our pot, and prepare our tin mackerel. So I'll catch you at the end of the video, guys. Just continue watching, and if you're watching to this far and you haven't subscribed us yet, please do so at this moment and turn your notification bell. Also watch the end, guys, please, and thumbs up the video and drop me a comment below. Catch you at the end of the video. Dumplings all done, looking so yummy, and this is the finished dish. I serve this up with my fry up tin mackerel. I have a piece of plantain, piece of sweet potato, and lunch was delicious. So tell me in the comment section if you have ever tried carrot dumpling and if you will try this one. I find this method the best. Yes, some people blend it, but I rather this way. In that way you get a small amount of roughage. Yes. So again, I appreciate all my returning supporters and our newcomers as well. Thank you guys for coming on board. Just make it official by turning the notification bell on, subscribe, and also check out my channel membership and my Food Delicious playlist. You'll find lots of goodies there. So with me mumbling along, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in another video. So until next time, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.